Connect News Media tabiriba singbu taramna okchari. America gi high profile events singi manungda ama oiriba White House Correspondents Association gi dinner gi matamda thokiba nomai kapagi thodo aduda shocking oiba reveal torkli. Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche ki matung inna April 15 gi numidangda Washington Hilton Hotel gi ballroom da changsinana bahonaramba attacker gi target ta President Trump administration gi member oirami. NBC gi Meet the Press program da Todd Blanche na hai madudi chingnaningai oiba misak asi called Thomas ni haiba khangmangamle maha California gi Torrance tagini maha California dagi train na hana Chicago da laki aduga mafam asida maha Washington da thungki ngangningai oiba wafam di maha Washington Hilton Hotel da guest ama oina check-in tawduna lerami mafam asida dinner gi event pangthoklami US Secret Service ki official singi matung ina Allen na hotel gi security circle bu thugaina bohona ki matamasida mahagna agent amada nomai kablaki mahakinakta shotgun ama handgun ama amadi suri kya phangki thaudo asigi matamda ballroom da President Donald Trump, First Lady Melania Trump, Vice President JD Vance, cabinet ki senior member kya amadi official sing lerami nomai kapagi makol tabaga ballroom da sarangna bathoki masigi matungda security force na Allen bu custody da lokthaki maki background na investigator singbu ngahan ki maha California Institute of Technology gumba reputed institution dagi graduate orami maki Lincoln profile gi matung inna maha mechanical engineering amadi computer science tamlaki maha game developer amadi teacher suni Allen na 2017 da mechanical engineering tauki 2025 da California State University Dominguez Hills tagi computer science da postgraduate tauki masida nate mahak private institution amada teaching gi thabak tormi December 2024 da mahak teacher of the month su taki case asigi investigation gi matamda masi khangmangam ki madudi Allen na mathanta attack asibu tauki District of Columbia ki police chief amadi President Trump na mahaku a lone wolf haibadi mathantana tauba attack ni haiki adubu mahakna investigation da masi claim tauki madudi mahaki target ta administration ki official sing oirami police ki matung ina attack asigi marumda chapchaba motive hojiksu khangmangamdri masigi detail ki maramda investigation tauri attack asigi matungda US President Donald Trump ki ahanba reaction lakli Thodo asigi matungda Donald Trump ta social media da post ta iri attacker adu fare amadi situation asibu handle tobada secret service amadi law enforcement agency singbu thagadri Trump na iri Washington DC da ngasi numidang wai asi angakpa phangki secret service amadi law enforcement agency singna thabak phajana tawki Trump da makata na iri madudi aihak law enforcement agency gi advice ngakani Kona President Trump na hai madudi event asibu yengsiliba official singa wari sanaduna thuna event asigi anoba date fix tawgani ayakna numit kuntrani gi manungda amukhanna schedule fix tawgani masigi mamangda 2024 da US election gi mamangda Donald Trump ta nomai kapki 13 July 2024 da Donald Trump ta Pennsylvania da election rally amagi matamda attack tawki Butler City da campaign rally bu address tawba matamda attacker singna 400 feet ki arapadagi assault rifle na nomai kablaki masida nomai maru ama Trump ki ye thangmana kongi mathak thangba sarukta soktuna chatki nomai kablaki ba matungda secret service ki agent singna khudak ta Trump pu ma ki akoibida question ki amadi safe oina puthoki security personnel singna attacker bu khudak ta kaptuna hatki US President gi dinner da attack tawkiba attacker asi Federal Election Commission FEC gi record ki matung inna October 2024 da Kamala Harris ki president election campaign gi damak $25 donate tawki aduga White House ta pangthokiba correspondence dinner asi chahi gi pangthokpa event amani dinner asi media amadi politics ki special annual event amani masi White House covered toba journalistic organization White House Corporates Association na sinmani masida President masamak mahaki opponent singda amadi media da phagi tawi President Donald Trump mamang chahida event asida yaukide mahak 2011 da event asida guest oina laki matamaduda US ki president oiramba Barack Obama na mahakpu karemna ki masigi matungda Trump na president election thengnanaba decision lawki video sida ngasigi di matang soi fawbadang thagasari